What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2025 Toyota Camry using Bluetooth. Also, if we're using an iPhone, we'll take a look at how we can enable Apple CarPlay. And I am going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings, open your Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, from the left-hand side, I'm going to click the phone menu right here. That's going to take us to this page, and then I'm going to click Connect Device. Now I'm going to grab my phone, and under the available devices, it'll pop up as Toyota Camry. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does. So on our center screen, we'll click OK, and then we'll grab our phone and click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. So now we're connected, and now it's going to give us the option here to enable Apple CarPlay. So all you'll need to do is click Yes, and then grab our phone screen and click Use CarPlay. Then we just need to wait for it to finish connecting. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.